Hello everyone. Today we will discuss exercise 6.5 question number 7. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 cm and a diagonal is 41 cm. Here you see this is a rectangle ABCD. Here the length of the rectangle is 40 cm and the diagonal is 41 cm. Since this is a rectangle, we know that the angle, this angle B, angle A, angle C and angle D is 90 degree, right? Therefore, we can see in this triangle, that is in triangle ABC, right? First of all, according to Pythagoras theorem, in triangle, in right angle triangle, in right angled triangle, in right angled triangle, in right angled triangle, hypotenuse square, hypotenuse hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Perpendicular according to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Right? Here you see this is 90 degree. The side opposite to the 90 degree is the hypotenuse, that is 41, and this is the length of the rectangle, and this is BC is the breadth of the rectangle, right? The hypotenuse is 41. Hypotenuse is AC square is equal to base is AB square plus perpendicular is BC square, or you can write the right hand side first, that is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, or BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Now what is the value of AC? The value of AC is 41 centimeter. Therefore 41 square minus AB is 40, that is 40 square. AC is 41, that is to multiply 41 with 41, we are getting multiply 41 with 41, that is 1 1 is 1, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, and 4 4 is 16, that is 1, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 1, 1681, that comes to 1681, 1681 minus 40 into 40 is 4 4 is 16, 0 0. Therefore 1681 minus 1600 minus 1600, that comes to 81, right? That is comes to 81. Therefore BC is equal to root over of 81. that is equal to root over 9 into 9, and that comes to 9 centimeter. Therefore, here you get that BC is equal to 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. You have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. We know that perimeter of a rectangle or perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter, therefore perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 into length of the rectangle is 40 plus breadth of the rectangle is 9, that is in centimeter. Therefore, it is equal to 2 into 40 plus 9 is 49 centimeter. If we multiply 49 with 2, we are getting 2 9 18, carry 1, it is 8. 48 plus 1 is 98. That comes to 98 centimeter. Right? First of all, you have to find this BC, that is breadth of the rectangle. Here you find the breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeter and the length is 40 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 40 plus 9, or 2 into 49, that is 98 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the rectangle is 98 centimeter. This is the answer. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.